In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an invoice in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look to the left sidebar. Click the New tab to start with a fresh file. At the top of the screen, you will see the search box for online templates. Click into that box, type Invoice, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will show you a selection of invoice templates that are already designed for you, which makes the process much faster and easier than building one from scratch. From the search results, choose the invoice template that best fits your needs. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear with a Create button. Click Create, and Excel will open that template as a new workbook. This gives you a ready-made layout with sections for your business details, customer information, line items, and totals. At the top of the sheet, click the placeholder text that says Company Name. Replace it with your company's official name. Make sure you enter the name exactly as you want it to appear on the final invoice, since this is one of the main details your client will see first. Next, click the placeholder cell for the invoice number and type your unique invoice tracking number. This is important for staying organized and making it easier to reference the invoice later. After that, move to the Bill To section. Click the placeholder cell there and enter your client's name and address details. Be careful to type this information clearly so the invoice is properly directed to the correct recipient. Now go to the first cell under the description column. Type the name of the service or product you provided. Keep the wording clear and specific so the client can easily understand what they are being charged for. Then click the cell under the amount column next to that description and enter the price for that item. Once all of your invoice details are filled in, go to the top left menu bar and click File. From the left sidebar, choose Save As. This will let you save your completed invoice to your preferred location and give it a file name that is easy to find later. It is a good idea to use a clear naming format so your records stay organized. That covers everything you need to know.